Welcome to a rainy Wednesday morning. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a beautiful day. I realized most of the times I don't look at the camera. You find me doing this. But I'll be trying my level best to always to make sure that I am focusing on the camera. So welcome to this video. I'm heading to work, but today's video is very special because I'm going to show you where most people here in the UK work, where most of us we work. So stay tuned, keep on watching this video. Let's go together, and later on this video I will show you. So welcome once again to all the returning subscribers. Thank you very much for stopping by, and for those who are meeting this channel for the first time, please subscribe. This is where we have begun our video from. Yeah, around, look around, look, it's raining. Look at even this car, it's rainy. It's a rainy morning. So let's go together and see how the day will go. I'm heading to work, but I decided let me go with you. Yeah, so let's go. I've just remembered that the other day I showed you a video taking my car for repair, and I've not given you an update. I think I will give you a very quick update, maybe in the progression of this video, and yeah, everything is okay. But one thing happened when I went to pick the car. We ended up looking for the car for almost more than 30 minutes, because that was a local garage. I mean, it was a garage. Of course, it's a good one, and I don't want to mention it here because maybe they will lose customers. So I went there to pick my car from around 5:50. You can't imagine, we looked for the car for the whole 30 minutes because we were able to get the car at around 6:20. The guy from the garage the first thing they told me that the car has been parked on a certain road which was called I don't know, Marvin Road. So I went there to look for the car, and I could not see it. So I went back 2 times to tell them, no, I can't see the car. What you can do, just write for me where you have parked so that I can go and find it. They gave me a certain lady to show me where the car has been parked. The lady told me, just follow this road and then you'll find the car at the end. Say what? I went, looked for almost 15 minutes. I could not see it. So I even checked on their garage. But the most unfortunate thing, they have a parking, but they told me that the parking is full. That is, their parking is very small, so it was full. I went back. Now they gave me another gentleman, and that gentleman told me, have you checked down there? Yes, I told him I've checked all around and I've walked all these roads. I'm not even able to see my car. At one point, I thought, I don't know my car. Is it me who doesn't know my car? Even the color of my car seemed to be, I don't know which color it is. I know even my registration number, but to be honest, at that point I was confused. I don't know what to do. You know, going back 2 times, 3 times, just to tell them you don't know, you have not seen your car. So finally they gave me somebody to go with to look for the car. And now the funny thing is, we looked for the car with that gentleman. He doesn't know where the car is. I was asking, where was the car parked? Do you know what he told me? He told me that the person who parked the car it's not, I'm not the one who parked the car, it's somebody else who parked the car. And it was, what a shit. What a shit. I was really pissed off with that. So we ended up getting the car on the other side where I had parked earlier in the morning, but on a different road, but it's the same route. So that is what happened. But the good thing is they repaired, their service is good. Even if they don't give you how they did, they just told me, we finished your car, just come and pick it. Because I was working, I had to go for the car late in the evening. I could not stop working and then go for the car. Maybe midday. So that is what happened. But the good thing is, everything is okay. I think I did not tell you. So the first time I took the car for service, and then the second day I took the car for the actuator. This is the fuel actuator. It was not responding, so the fuel flip cap was not locking. And you know, when you take your car for MOT, and by the way, I never knew MOT meant Ministry of Transport until somebody Odhiambo, is it Odhiambo, wrote in the comment section of my last video, and I thought it was a joke, and I had to go online and search. And I was surprised. MOT is the Ministry of Transport. So on this weekend I'm taking my car for MOT. Of course, I've taken it early. It is supposed to go on next month, around mid-month, but I thought it's good for me to do it early, yeah, because it has nothing to do. It is something which is good for you to do early. So that is it. So now we are ready. We are ready to go. So that is how things happen. And honestly, this video is 10 minutes now. Maybe the one I told you that I will show you where most people work. I will show you where most people work. I was waiting for that car to go, but I don't know what was happening. Maybe the person is a learner. So this is the route, guys. When you see such an area, you know it's an industrial area. It's an industrial area. So you'll find a lot of people working here. Maybe during the day I will just show you a snippet. I will just show you shortly where we work. Yeah. So I'm going to park my car. You can see there's a lot of delivery vehicles. There's a lot of delivery vehicles, and I'm going to park on this spot. This is the spot I like parking my car, although today, when you hear that, that is a parking assistant. So that is what happened. I want to show you a little bit here from my car. That is on the outside. Let me take off the camera. I think I will go out with it for a few seconds. I will show you for a few seconds where I'm working. Of course, yeah, this is the place. You can see this is a delivery vehicle. You can see it there. I think I don't have anything I want to pick from here. Yeah, so guys, I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. I think I will put this video together because it is not more than 20 minutes. So I think I have, let me show you the time. I'm supposed to start at 9 sharp and the time is 8:51. So at least I have 10 minutes to to talk to you. So I know there are those people who are asking a lot of questions. Please put them down below, and I'll do a video to respond to those videos, and I will just give my opinion, which might be of significance, which can help you. So feel free to comment down below. Feel free to ask any question. So my brother is calling me, so I'm going to pick the call, you see. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.